Gartner leads off its 2026 Magic Quadrant for M&S by saying that managed network services providers are racing to upgrade their service delivery platforms with AI and improve performance to gain a competitive edge. How do you guys view that? Like how is it fundamentally changing M&S? How would you kind of look at what the market is saying, what the customers are saying when you're talking to customers on a daily basis? How are they sort of thinking about this?
So from the perspective of, let's call it the CIO down to the engineering levels, right? I think AI is changing what customers buy. For example, 5 years ago, customers bought, mostly against headcount, right? So ultimately, an MSP, a component that we offered, was the ability to provide operational context, support an adjunct component of your team. Today, customers buy more so for outcomes, right? So the headcount is almost invisible in the conversation. And the question is no longer how many engineers we have watching alerts. The question is how fast the platforms can decide and act, and then how quickly can they enable those people to make good decisions around the context of what's happening around the network, right? So AI is sort of quickly compressing the value of what would be sort of generalized as standard services